Hi friends, welcome to session 5 on solution of initial value problem. In this session we are going to study some more problems on Taylor series method. In the last session we have studied 2 examples. Let us study 2 more examples in this session. Take one example. Solve dy by dx is equals to x minus y square. Initial condition is y at 0 is equals to 1 at x equal to 0.2 using Taylor series method. First write the given equation as y dash is equals to x minus y square, and the condition is y naught is equal, this one is y naught equal to 0, x naught, this is x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equals to 1. Now differentiate this. So this is given, that is dy by dx is y dash only. So y dash is equals to x minus y square, and this implies y naught dash is equals to x naught minus y naught whole square, and its value is x naught is 0, 0 minus 1 square equals to minus 1. Now differentiate this. Derivative of y dash is y double dash is equals to derivative of x is 1 minus 2y into y dash. So this implies y naught double dash is equals to 1 minus 2 y naught dash is equals to 1 minus 2 into y naught value is 1 and y naught dash value is minus 1. So 1 plus 2 is equals to how much? 3. Now it's a triple derivative. Differentiate this once again. Y triple dash is equals to derivative of 1 is 0 minus 2 as it is. Y into y dash is product of two functions. So y as it is, derivative of y dash is y double dash plus y dash as it is, derivative of y is again y dash. So now y triple dash is equals to, so 0 minus 2y into y double dash plus y dash whole square, and y triple dash at naught is equals to minus 2 y naught into y naught double dash plus y naught dash whole square. So it is equals to minus 2 into, substitute the value of y naught is 1 here, and y naught double dash is 3 plus y naught dash is minus 1, so it is minus 1 square. This is 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is minus 8, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So its fourth derivative is, again differentiate this, you will get fourth derivative is minus 2 as it is. So it is product of two functions, y, derivative of y double dash is y triple dash plus second function y double dash as it is, derivative of y is y dash plus derivative of y dash whole square is 2y dash into y double dash, and this implies, simplify this one, it is equals to minus 2 into y triple dash plus these two are same, so this is 3 times of y dash into y double dash, and its derivative at the point 0 is equals to, so it is fourth derivative of y at 0 is equals to minus 2 into y naught triple dash plus 3 y naught dash into y naught double dash. So this implies minus 2 into y naught is 1, y naught triple dash is minus 8 plus 3 into y naught dash is minus 1, and y naught double dash here is 3. So it is 3. This is 9, that is minus 9 minus 8 is minus 17 into 2 is plus 34. So now its fifth derivative. Differentiate this once again. So its fifth derivative is minus 2, this one as it is. Here you have to apply product rule. First function y as it is, derivative of y triple dash is fourth derivative plus second function y triple dash as it is, derivative of y is y dash. Then plus, so here these two are product of two functions. So this is first function as it is 3y dash, and derivative of y double dash is y triple dash plus 3y double dash as it is, derivative of y is y double dash. So this implies, this one we don't have this term, no? So this is y into fourth derivative plus this is 3 times, it is 3 plus 1, 4 times of y dash into y triple dash plus 3 y double dash whole square, and at the point 0, fifth derivative of y at 0 is equals to minus 2 into, substitute this value y naught, fourth derivative of y naught plus 4 times of fourth derivative of derivative of y naught and triple derivative of y naught plus 3 double derivative of y naught whole square. Substitute the values. This is minus 2 into y naught is 1, this is 34 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 8 plus 3 into 3 square. Substitute all the values and simplify. you will get its fifth derivative is minus 186. Then by Taylor series you write the formula y at x equals to y naught plus h into y naught dash plus h square by 2 factorial y naught double dash h cube by 3 factorial y naught triple dash plus h raised to 4 by 4 factorial y naught fourth derivative plus h raised to 5 by 5 factorial into fifth derivative of y naught plus etc. plus dash dash it is. Plus dash 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 like this. Here h is not given, you have to calculate h equals to x minus x naught. So x is 0.2 and x naught is 0. This implies h is 0.2. Substitute the value of h and all these values y naught double dash, y naught triple dash. So y naught fourth derivative and fifth derivative of y at 0. And simplify all these values. You will get its value as y at 0.2 equals to 0.85209606. So this is the solution. And I have given one more example. So solve dy by dx equals to x minus y by x. Y at 2 is equals to 2 at x equals 2.1. So it is nothing but y dash equal to separate the terms x by x minus y by x. It is 1 minus y by x and x naught is, this one is x naught is 2 and y naught is also 2. So this implies this is y dash is 1 minus y by x and its derivative at 0 is equals to 1 minus y naught by x naught equals to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So now differentiate this. Y double dash is derivative of 1 is 0 and here you apply quotient rule, you will get x y dash minus y. Denominator as it is, derivative of y is y dash minus numerator y as it is, derivative of x is 1 divided by x square. So substitute the value here, separate the terms y dash by x cancel, x minus plus minus into minus plus y by x square. And at the point 0, it becomes minus y naught dash by x naught, then plus y naught by x naught whole square. And we know y naught dash value is 0 and plus y naught is 2, 2 by 2 square is 1 by 2. So it differentiate this once again. Third derivative is again here you have to apply quotient rule and this also you have to apply quotient rule. Denominator as it is, derivative of y dash is y double dash minus numerator y dash as it is, derivative of denominator is x square. Then plus here also same thing. Denominator x square as it is, derivative of y is y dash minus y as it is, derivative of x square is 2x divided by x raised to 4 denominator square. So simplify this one, you will get this one as y double dash by x plus 2y dash by x square minus 2 divided by x cube. And at the point 0, substitute all the values and simplify, you will get this one as minus 3 by 4. So its fourth derivative is, simplify this one. After simplification you will get this one as like this. This is just simplification. And at the point 0, substitute all the values. So we know all the values x naught, y naught, double dash, y naught, triple dash, all these values we know. Substitute all these values carefully and simplify. You will get this value as, you just substitute all the values carefully and simplify. You will get this value as, after simplification you will get this value as 11 by 8. So now by Taylor series you just write the formula y naught plus h by 1 factorial y naught dash plus h square by factorial 2 y naught double dash plus h cube by factorial 3 y naught triple dash plus h raised to 4 by factorial 4 y naught fourth derivative. And h is x minus x naught, so it is 2.1 minus 2 equals to 0.1. We got h as 0.1 and substitute all the values h, y naught dash, y naught double dash, y naught triple dash, y naught fourth derivative. All these values you just substitute in this and simplify. You will get its value as 2.00238073. This is the value of y at 2.1. So this is y at 2.1 is equals to 2.00238073. This is the solution of this problem. This is all about Taylor series method. So in the exercise also we have only 4 examples. I have done 2 examples from exercise and 2 examples from the worked example. So this is all about this today's session. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next session we will see Euler's method and Euler's modified method. And one more topic remains, that is Runge-Kutta method. So we have only these topics in this chapter. So we will go for that in the next sessions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.